Taking that fight that is going to achieve everyone was taking peptides. Good for people who sell it. Huh? Good for people who sell it. Yeah.
What's going on? Market is open. Oh shit. Pop right here, they open. So if we pop and drop, or we pop and hold. One in nine is if we test that today again. Pop and fail maybe. Right? We're gonna break 12ish. Okay. Like we might break here to 12. And we got a lot of room higher. If we can hold. Oh, that's like a breakout trade. Mm-hmm. Usually it's failing right there. Short here. That stop on 20s. Like a 10-point stop. Like a 30-point profit. And all the moving averages are crossing here. Go along here. My stop needs to be below this candle. Have to be below 200s. Stop gotta be below 200, so interesting. Which one? 16 years, man. 16 years. That's the time. Let's try here. More short here. Stop would have to be right here. Long here, the stop gotta be below the 95-ish. Wait a little and see. See if we hold. I started with small caps a long time ago. Have you heard of Tim Sykes? Yeah, I bought his mentorship, and at that time I thought that was gold, but that thing was a bunch of old DVDs. So, yeah, I learned a lot in there, but cannot say that I did not learn that. But at that time, that was not worth $10,000. I tell you what, 16 years ago, $10,000 is a lot of money. That's when I started. He used to have like alerts, Tim Sykes, and from there, I started trading like a pump and dump. I started shorting those things. Made some good money there. But then I decided to go to blue chip stocks, like nice, pretty much the stocks that are NASDAQ, Apple, Facebook. Then I started making money, losing money, making money, losing money. Then I went to options. Then I went back to blue chips and then made a lot of money one day, like over 100,000 in one trade. And that's when things start going bad because you start trading with big size. And it's a big problem for trade with size, not knowing much. Now I'm trading futures. But if I had to pick between options and stocks, I would go to stocks. Because options, there are a lot of things that can go wrong. Time decay and delta, beta, and so many other things. Let's see if we hold right here. Okay. We're still in this little range for now. It's usually what happens after 5 o'clock. We stay in like a little range. Yeah, I got those no activation fees, back. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Did you get any of those? They have some that is like 250. Yeah. Mhm. See if we hold there. Oh, there. No weakness there. Yeah, I know those things like the one that I got that is not like the intraday because I cannot do those intraday or drawdown. They're pretty crazy on the intraday. And see, look at that. See how it's brought it back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I will show up. See if the sellers can hold it down. So if I trust you, I have to dump them. Let's put my stop there. Interesting, big seller right there. Yeah. Yep. Let's see. See if we go past the 29-ish, See if we go there, that would be interesting. For 20 points for me so far here. Might take it here and thinking it might get a bounce, all the way to my entry. I'm gonna take. I think it might bounce from here, but let's see. I might be wrong. Might go all the way to 29-ish with no bounce. I kind of want to bounce right here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Thought we go to like 85-ish. That would be nice. Let's see the longer time frame. Let's see the 1 hour. All the way here, it's 29-ish. 29, 28. It's 0 pop. It's very weak. It pop all the way here, but looks like 9. That looks very heavy. Yeah, look at that. Look at how heavy it looks. If we're gonna test at least the 70s, bro, keep going, man. Going lower. Keep on going lower. Even if we touch 7s at least, go lower, but okay. Now we're getting somewhere. We go all the way down. There we go. Keep on dumping. Keep on dumping. Let's take one more down. Oh boy. There we go. Stop might be too tight. Tight stop there. Since 44 holds or what? Yeah, 44 is holding. Yeah. Good that I had my stop. That is looking very heavy. Thanks, Nate. Yeah, I'm just moving my stop, Just moving my stop. Keep moving my stop. In the end of the day, like, 10, 20 points all the time. If I can keep going small, it's gonna be good. Biggest problem with me is that sometimes I just keep adding. So if I break the adding thing, I'm good. Yes, keeps going non-stop. Yeah, looks like we're going to 29-ish. The interesting thing is that very little bounce, so that's good for the shorts. It's just going down. It's one of those that you don't go against the trend, man. It's the see where it failed again on the moving average right there. Maybe now's the bounce. Maybe now that's the bounce. Look at that. It's definitely a pop. Alright, a big pop there. 30 to 50s. Pretty normal doing New York, but Asia market. That's a block. There's one buyer. Okay, there's one big buyer. Nobody else. It could be a short with a stop in 60s. That could be it. And that's what it looks like. Yeah. The great opportunity for a short there. So pop and drop. That goes to 50s again. I'll try short. Looks like it's trading right here. See if we go back to 50 something, 55. Again, I could have a stop on 65. Let's see how strong this candle comes. 38 to 49, 10 points. See now, maybe 50s, 60s. I don't know. Let's see the 5 minutes. Hmm. 5 minutes looks like it's holding. 69.10, 169.10. Yeah, looks like a good answer too. We're going to 5 minutes. 69, yeah. Testing this resistance here, the previous support. Here we're at apex. It's apex. Yeah, he looks a little tempting with a stop on 67. $69. I see what you see here. 69. Let's see if we will gonna do 69. Yeah, looks interesting right here. Please. Try one here. There's more one here. If we get a follow through. I'm gonna go with mini, but then I'm like, let's see the mark. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna go with mini, but then I'm like, go with micro. Yeah, we're back. Testing the lows again. If we bounce here, bounce all the way there to my entry. Check because I think we might bounce 49ish. Nope, no bounce. Might break the lows. Yeah, yeah, the buyer is gone. I think she's gone. Okay, let's see if we go to 40s, 50s. I would I would have white space bar the chart. What do you mean by space bar? It's like a zoom out? Oh yeah, they buy it back, you see? Yeah, for me, I do like quick scalps, you know? I do like 10, 20 points. Yeah. If you go for like 40, 50 points, yeah, definitely it's different. So like that here. So if we go to 50s, so if we break the 50s, I'm gonna take it out. Big bear flag here, but if we break the bear flag, gotta break the 59s to the upside. So no baby girl. Ooh, I think once they were took a strong seller there. And when that seller will be gone, I think it's gonna dump hard to the full sellers, the buyer. I mean, the buyer's here today. When it's gone, she'll be gone. See the 5 minutes. Might go to like 29. Hey, so hey, all good, buddy. I'm great. How are you? Yeah, the 5 minutes. Go to 29ish. See what we do when you get here. 120ish. See what the 120ish get us. Yeah, we're downtrending till 530ish. Then we start going this range. See if we keep going the downtrend. But yeah, definitely for 530, yeah, we will downtrend. That range. We have this range here from 135 to 153. So we're on this little range here. But from the opening, we went down. At 530, we stopped. And you are right, we start ranging there after 530. See, that's big buys. Boom, boom, boom. I feel like all those failures here on the moving average. See, we keep failing here. I'm just gonna take advantage of it. Yeah, but we're not gonna get filled. Yeah. I'll keep hitting this moving average. See, we hit the moving average here once, went down. Hit another one, the second one, went down. Might hit one again, go down. We going somewhere. But if you go all the way to the bigger time frame, let's say the 1 hour. If you go all the way on the big time frame, yeah, that's when we popped from 610 all the way to 616. Then now we have this big ass range that we're gonna be testing. Let's see if we test tonight the 29ish, 28, 28, 600 is strong. Right here, it's also strong if you look left. It's the 1 hour time frame. So the 30 minutes. The 30 minutes we are going down. 5 minutes going down. Yeah, it's bouncing from here. 1 minute we're kind of going down, but like, yeah, it's a little range here, maybe 530 to now, but see if we break now the 120ish. You have those guys here. When you look left, right here, look right here. Yeah, the same buyers here. Which one is? And those guys here. What I see more downside, honestly. I see we breaking there. I mean, testing all the way to 29ish. Maybe not now, yeah. Be right in the middle of the night. Who knows? Maybe now. Who knows? For now, we are going through this moving average here. So first was the yellow, then later there was the 50, I think, 21. I think the yellow is 9, right? Yeah, 9 and 21. Yeah, there she goes. And she's gone. Just touch a little there, boom. Might be the support. I would not short here, man. I mean, even though they might dump hard, but shorting here is kind of like shorting support, because if it pops from you, it's like 20, 30 points on you. That's crazy. Yep. See, that's the support right here, but should have those moving average holding up. Maybe go to the next one. Let's see. Break up. If we go to 140ish. It's trying. It is trying. She was very weak. Yeah, starting the moving average again. No, let's see. One forward holds and break. It's we failed right here. See, that's why we failed before, multiple times. To go up, we need to hold here. We need to hold off. There she goes. There she goes. See, keep straight on the moving average. The next candle needs to hold. Oh man, look at that. That's one ugly candle. Yeah, let's keep straight on this moving average. Let's see if she holds for the bounce. Maybe now she decides to hold. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Oops. If we keep going lower, we gotta fail here. Reclaiming the move. Man, that's very solid, man. Okay, short here, where will be the stop? The stop gotta be on 50s. Yeah, profit 20s. So those candles. Oof, there she's gone. She's gone. Dang, dang. Look at those candles. What's happening? Let's see if there's like a tweet or something. Did Trump say something? Or is just price action? Yeah, just price action. Nothing. Nothing on Truth Social. Dang, look at that. Just price action. You're long now, all the way to 256. There's some bias here. I can tell you that. There's some bias right here, brother. Right here, see those bias? And can they hold them? 256, 256. Yeah, if I would go long here now, I would have my stop below those candles here. 110. Definitely some bias here. Okay. Yeah, maybe a good long there. Static trading. Another good call. 20 points from your call. Let's plan in the moving average. 5 minutes looks bullish. 10 minutes looking bullish. They all looking bullish for now. Moving average might cross here. Things are starting looking bright on the bull side. Yeah, definitely some buyers here. Buyers are here. I believe we need to hold 125, which 125. The moving average starting to cross here. Static trading gave a call right here. That was around 125, so very much 20 points from when he said he's long. Oh boy. Now we need to hold here. You need to hold right here. 58. Damn, might be like Jeff said, big range. So we need to break. 45 is to go up. It's interesting how the buyers they come just boom, one big candle. And the sellers come slowly. And the buyers come one big candle. See another one. Another seller actually. Look at that. Maybe the seller gonna accelerate. It's a very controlled sell. We're below the moving average now. I go short here. My stop should be like on 40ish. I'm gonna dump here. 120ish. And now we're back below the moving average. See if those guys come back and start buying. And I think that was yesterday or the day before yesterday. I was trading that was one big 50 point candle. I went long right before it, but I went because it's reclaimed the moving average. There was like a small green candle. I went long, and after like 40 seconds, there was one big 50 points candle. That was something. Yeah, getting weak. We're getting heavy here. Yeah, getting very heavy. I go downtown. Oof, there she goes. And she's gone. See if the buyers come back. The buyers are here. Let's see if this guy comes back. Let's see if the buyers get back to it. No, that one is the 200 moving average. That's the 200. I don't think I have view up here. No, that's straight of eight. Let me add view up here. Let me view up. Oh, mine is American too. What? How come you're pumping? No way. No, MNQ right here. How come you're pumping? Where is the damn view up? Volume base. Yeah, I don't see view up here. Yeah, that's crazy. There's no view up here. I don't know what delay you have because I have two charts. Look at here. I have another one here. And that's the same thing. I mean, that's NEQ, but it's the same thing. See, that's not popping. I don't know. I don't know what charts you on, man. But there should be no delay. There should be no delay, man. I think I even have a chart on my website. Let me see here. Live charts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, it should be no delay. Look, I even have on my website. You see trading with Diego there. 5 minutes, 1 minute. See, this one is different. On YouTube, make sure you click on live. That should be no delay. Okay, let's try one here. So far it's holding pretty well. Maybe bounce now. Yeah, let's keep bouncing from here. Maybe minus delay? Mine should not be delayed though. Okay, let me try this long now. See if we go. I'm gonna add on 21, then my stop will be below here, the 110. See if we finally go. Well, keep failing the top. So, not sure if we pop now. $28. Okay, now, for the fold here, let's see if we hold. Let's see on a downtrend. Look at it. Down, 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 down. Now, am I trying to buy the bottom? See no more here. Yeah, we're still playing a downtrend. No more here. We're on top. I'll be out. 17. Yeah, that one gotta be bullish. If it's not, nah. Like there's no bounce. All those bounce have been sold. To bounce, sell, bounce, sell, bounce, sell, bounce, sell. So no good bounce yet. Yeah, so my stop is here. Cause it looks like we pop and drop, pop and drop. I'm gonna cut my very weak. Pop, drop, pop, drop. That's what's happening. Yep, no stop. You know, if you guys in statistic trading, there's no it's prop firm. Are you trading those paper trading on TradingView? That's very true. Yeah, on TradingView, you gotta. I mean, if you're not using prop firm, you gotta pay for the data. There's a hard breakdown now. Well, I like take a profit, man. Take a profit trading is like daily payouts. I don't. In my opinion, it's like unbeatable, you know. Lucid is pretty good as well, but it's hard to beat the daily payouts from take a profit, man. But even they are all like fighting now. I was looking at Tradify. Yeah, Tradify now they have a one account called Select, I think. The It's pretty crazy too. I think let me check. Tradify. They had one account that looks like they have daily payouts or something. So but yeah, take a profit, man. Take a profit trading. It's like for me, it's like daily payouts, baby. Like you cannot beat that, you know. Which one do you use, Nate? Which prop firm do you trade with? Oh, I just saw this select account for daily payouts. There is a daily loss limit and max payout of for Tradify. And for the other one, that's not daily payouts. They make it 5,000 max, so that's flex. Yeah, yeah, looks like she's dumping again. Yeah, that's clearly a downtrend, man. No idea why I went long here. Luckily, I flipped to short. Was clearly a downtrend. Pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop. Statistic trading was long here, but looks like you're not even using the live data. Found the Futures family? That's the one? Never heard of that one. Found the Futures family. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's just dumping non-stop. She's dumping. So now we are close to past the 900s. So that's what I was seeing earlier. See here, I was pointing here, pointing right here. Yeah, that's what we're gonna test now. It's actually we are there, I see. 90s. That's where we bounced today. It's the next level after that. Next level is all the way here, buddy. 29 900s. 28. 28 900s. So, and she was going here, man. She is gone. Testing the lows again. We're gonna get the bounce, or we're gonna get another fake bounce. We look left, we see that's where we bounced earlier. You see we bounced from here all the way up. And now we're gonna bounce here. That's gonna be like a fake bounce. Okay, this candle looks bullish. See if we go. Yes, if we bounce, we are bouncing from the same bounce that we bounced at like 250. See that right here. That was the bounce, 250s. All the way here. Keep trying. See if we bounce now, that's gonna be another fake bounce. Bounce down, bounce down, bounce. Took another fake bounce. Bounce dump. No real bounce so far. Sellers are in control. See what happened at 7 o'clock, right? 15 exchanges at 7. Why is my step back? Dude, I don't know where you guys are from, but that's some crazy stuff going on here in Chicago with the air. It's some fire in Canada. Pretty crazy. Some wildfire in Canada. All this smoke is here, you know. The air quality, it's very unhealthy. I went out to walk my dog and my shirt smells like smoke. No, we're going down again. And she goes another fake bounce. Yeah, cannot fight the trend. Oh, you're in Canada? Man, that was some bad. The air quality here is horrible. Wow, look at that. We going down. We going down for real. If somebody step up here, yeah, I don't know. Can I imagine living around one of those wildfire? Because again, I went out for like 5 minutes and my clothes are smelling like smoke. Imagine how bad it is for your lungs. You know, you finally got a boss. Okay, you finally got a boss. Let's try one. Great bounce. We got some sellers. It's all selling here on the moving average. Oh yeah, look at the sellers. They're real there. Wow. Sellers came in strong. That chart all weird. My chart's not moving. Oh, I got locked out. I got locked out. The hell? That's weird. How come I got locked out? Let's see what happened. See if we're logging back. It's very weird that I got locked out. Look at that, I cannot log in. Okay, let's go my Lucid then. Nothing, sure. What the hell is going on? What the hell, man? No, I cannot log in. I'm not sure what's happening. Oh, we finally got the ball. Sure, what happened to my trade over it? Yeah, cannot log in. Try Chrome. Damn. Yeah, something happened with my TradingView that I could not connect. That's crazy. Well, luckily I was out of the trade. Successful attempt. This will be in a few minutes. Not sure what the fuck happened. Yeah, luckily I cut the trade because now TradingView looks like there is some problem with TradingView. That's crazy. Up and drop again. Yeah, looks like TradingView. Everybody like complaining about TradingView. I'm like, shit. Man, the worst part's though is feeling like a trader. Now we're going back down. Just a big pop and drop again. Pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop. Crazy. Pop and drop non-stop. Yeah. Yeah, trade over it, man. Stopped. Crazy. Luckily, I got out. Got out of my position. And now I can now log into trade over it. I was trading Apex and later I tried to flip to Lucid. I couldn't log in. Mine, this chart kind of froze, but luckily I closed my position. Hopefully, right? Hopefully they closed my position, but I closed my position. I saw my position being closed. I mean, I have it here on the live stream, so that's a good thing because the live stream is recording, right? So it saves that. But I got out of my position. Then later I tried to reload, and that didn't go. That just did not go. Oh, this thing might flip. Oh no, mine just keep saying that attempt again later or something. Mine keep telling me to attempt to log in later. Maybe some buyers here. I don't know, credit thing. Yeah, they could actually dollar or something because I don't like it. This price action. See, it's like too crazy. But yeah, it's very dangerous. Imagine you trade and they don't have your stop loss. Oh, now you can log in. It's back. Yeah, yeah. Looks like they fixed. Looks like they fixed. Oh, wait, he's back. Support here, resistance here. Yeah, looks like they fixed it very fast. Let's see the trader rate status. Usually those companies they have like a page status that you can check. Oh, they make a login to check. Oh boy, look at those pops. Like pop and drop, pop and drop. Like the bulls are back. Reclaim here the moving average. So yeah, 7 o'clock when we usually get those movements from Tokyo. See if we go now. See if how high can we go? Information there. Yes.
No,
Huh?
no.
Great, there's nothing going on. Right? Should pop, should drop, should pop, should drop. Should pop, should drop, should pop, should drop. Yeah, those are the end of the day. I cannot do that today. Because intraday is too much. It's one of those that have no activation fee. They have this promotion, but no activation fee. They have for both. I think for a line. My price, my short support. Let's see. All right, which one I want support? So we went around support. Breaking it crazy. 7 o'clock we go. Look me off. I get out because things gonna get wild now. Things might get wild. 7 o'clock, things get wild. So gotta get the hell out. Things get wild. The 7. There we go. See, things get wild. First few minutes, it's a big pop, a big drop. And she's going, she's popping. It is popping. I try micro, Can I go with a mini on those pops? Failed right here before. That's my fail again. Mhm. Pop, should drop, should pop, should drop. Looks like a continuation down. Let's see. Let's see. And this fucking guy from Argentina scored a goal, and somebody was saying that if that was disrespectful. He's like, no, nothing is disrespectful. My family and I have a lot of respect for the English, especially my wife. Everyone who cleans and cooks at my house in London is English. We really love them. I mean, come on, dude. I think he was just fucking with the people asking, come on, like, what did fucking guy say something like that? Maybe he was not being offensive. Who knows? I think we're gonna go downtown. Let's try. Quick, quick, quick. Yeah, we're going. Should have held. It looks like we're gonna dump all the way now. Well, that's why. Surprise action. She's going. She's going. I'm gonna go back to my. The connection failed. Stuck. Ghost. Congrats, Vax. That was lucid. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. So you gotta keep doing exactly what you're doing, you know. Keep rocking rolling. Me going downtown, I no love for their loans. Bring me this fake bounce. Come on. I know you're gonna get my fake bounce. Yeah, you can also deduct the money that you spend on the evals. You can deduct that on your taxes. Mm, might be a double barrel. Might be a double barrel. Okay, slowing down. Yeah, you can write off everything because you work as like a contractor, you know. That's the good thing about not trading your own money. Because when you trade your own money, you pay way more tax than when you work as kind of like a contractor. This thing is trying to hold. The hell out of here to a double bottom. Yeah, whatever money you spend on eval, you can deduct. And she gone, now she's gone. Now she's gone. Now she's gone. I see no love for NASDAQ. I don't think all those pop they got sold. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. All those pops being sold. Now let's see if it fails in moving average. 6.5 would be nice. 65 would be nice. The only thing is that if you look left, so we're very near where we bounce today. And if you look all the way to the left, there was some big bounce way back. So there was some bounce from here. That's where we are, kind of. Here, 46, exactly here. Here we had a big bounce here, from here. Might go to, if you break 29, that would be nice. Yeah, every pop, sellers step back. Every pop, the sellers get back in. People buying there, buying the Jeep. So let's step in there. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if sellers can hold again. That's where I want from all there. Another one right there. Okay, here, man. Nope. Yeah, that's the bounce I was talking about. That's the bounce I was talking about. That cut. That's 20, crazy 20 points quick. If we fail now, maybe. And we did fail there. And I only had one contract. You might hold. Buyers are trying. My trading view is slow for me. Yeah, looks like buyers are trying. Oh yeah, they coming strong. Oh yeah, look at this candle, it's very bullish actually. Let's see if it's gonna close. Yeah, it's closed bullish. So see if we go. Nope. Yes. Buyers came in strong. See if we fail that moving average there. Mm-hmm. Flipping bullish. Yeah, buyers keep pushing. Look at that, it's crazy. Very crazy. Yeah, now she goes, huh? Now you go, baby girl, huh? Because I got out, she decided to go. Dang. If your buyer's gonna show up again. Buyers have a hard time holding. Buyers gonna try again. Sellers step up. Sellers come again. The wire fire can I even go up? What's
So far, well, fire is not wow. I can write.
Well, True Hat is even better than this fire, you know, because the fire is crazy. Like it's like pure smoke. Comfort buyers are trying again. Let's try here. That's a crazy pop drop. It's trying to fail the moving average again. See the blue line there? You see the blue line? That's the one holding. Had some algos right there probably. If then now the algo coming to replace that one. Yeah, it's one algo fighting the other algo. Oh, Trump is speaking. Oh, I did not know. Man, oh man, Mr. T gonna speak. Yeah, I think he's gonna get wild. I wonder what he's gonna say. If we hold here, or dump crazy. Hmm. Very dangerous position, yeah. Let's go to 10. Very crazy. This thing is not looking pretty. If I get out of that one, I'm gonna go crazy here on this candle. Oh, Yeah, I noticed that it gets a little late. Stop doing stupidity. Gets a little late, everything is stupid. If I did this bullet. Snizzle. What is this shit? API limit, I never got this notification, that's crazy. All right, I'm out.